Good morning. Okay, we are going to put Sally together. I did start putting her feet together because there are so many different layers. So I went ahead and did that. It says to attach the skirt first, so they fit on like little dovetails. I guess I should have done that side first. Okay, that goes on like this. Okay, so there's her skirt. Okay, let's do. And then it does have these pieces that you're supposed to put and slide over there to lock these in place so it doesn't come back apart. I'm not going to put them in right now. I didn't do it either on the other one, so just not going to put them in there right now. Okay. And I still haven't got the filament to do this. It's supposed to be here today, so her hands are going to look a little funny. Let's see. These are always really hard. Okay, so the same thing with the arms. It's got little pins for you to put in to lock them in place. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, that one's in there. And that one's in there. The arms are always the hardest thing to get on. I have to put her on my lap to beat the arm on there. Okay, let's do the other one. Twist. These are really hard to get in there. There we go. Okay. There we go. Arms are in. Move on to her little face. And I don't know, I might order some markers to go in and turn all of her stitching black. So we'll see with that one. Lips. Nice. Eyes. Such an odd angle. Come on. Oh, maybe it's this side. No, it is this side. There we go. It's a really odd angle to put them in. For all of the pieces have to be lined up in order for the eyes to like slide in there. There it goes. Okay, so there's her little face. And like I said, her hair was too tall because obviously I upscaled it so large. I actually cut the hair in half. So there is a line that goes across here that is just glued back together. And then the top piece is also printed separate, but it comes that way. I didn't split that part. So, okay. Put her hair on. And other than her wonky missing hands, she's good to go. I'll get these reprinted and share a final picture of what she looks like with her hands on there. But that is Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas, and the file is from the Kit Kiln. And like I said, she is upscaled to 250%, so I'm going to put her down by Jack and we'll see what they look like. Okay. And there you have her.